How to disable Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can disable your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to disable your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Instagram, come to profile page, tap the three lines option, go to account center. Once you go to account center, go to option called personal details and go to account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, and then just select the option of your Instagram account and then tap on delete account. By default deactivation is going to get selected, so you want to switch to delete. Tap on continue, select a reason as to why you want to delete Instagram, and then once done tap on continue to enter the password and finish the changes. This way you will be able to delete Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.